The title of the book is Jesuit in Nation Building in India. The inspiration for this book comes to us from Francis Xavier himself. You know that Francis Xavier first got involved with the people of Goa, here in this village of Old Goa, through St. Paul's College. That was then a functioning college. It no longer is. Now we have only the facade left there of the college. But this inspiration continued down the centuries to this day, because Francis Xavier launched this educational mission to teach the young, to educate the young, to build a community together. This inspiration has carried on now for 4 centuries, a little more than 4 centuries. And we are happy through this book to collect some of the inspirations that are right now being executed in various parts of India. So the book contains chapters that are dedicated to different kinds of Jesuit activities like education, social work, preaching, retreat giving, spirituality, and so on. There are 11 chapters by 11 Jesuit scholars. I invite you, it's a very handsome volume of 300 pages. I invite you to not only read through this, but also a moment to reflect and to see how the legacy of Francis Xavier is very much alive today, both in Goa and all across Asia. But particularly this book is focused on different parts of India. It also ties in with the 77th year of our independence and how the country is trying to build the nation called India through different kinds of activities, different kinds of involvements. So we, the Jesuits, also contribute to nation building. That is why the title of the book is The Jesuit in Nation Building in India. Thank you very much for your attention.